lovelies, and welcome. My Lovelula box is here, so I thought we would unbox this one together. If you're new here, hello, my name is Amy. Please hit that subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Now, Lovelula is one of my favourite subscription boxes. I absolutely love it. I will put all the details down below, but if you're unfamiliar with Lovelula, it's a natural beauty monthly subscription box. All the details, like I just said, will be down below, and I will link to their website. I absolutely love it because you just get so many kind of different natural beauty products that you kind of wouldn't think of picking up, which is really cool. Comes in a nice box. All recyclable, which is cool, and your little squiggles you can put in the compost. You get a nice little card here on the back. It tells you everything you kind of need to know, or it's just details about the products, how much the box is worth, and on the front you always get a discount code for the month for the brands that are in the box, which is really cool. And Lovelula have valued this box at £60, which is a higher value compared to some of the ones we've had, so that's cool. I'm going to give you a cheeky sneaky peek at what's in. There we go. It's quite weighty as well, so I'm really intrigued as to what's in it. So let's just dive in. And the first item we've got is from the brand Madara, and it's the SOS Hydra Mask, which is cool, and it says I'm in a recycled tube. Nice colour pink, really like it. We've had quite a few Madara products lately. Yeah, not sure if I'm going to keep this one yet. It says it's an instant moisture radiance hydra mask, so I'm not going to open that up, but we will see what Lovelula have said about it. And it's the Madara SOS Hydra Mask, a velvety wipe off or leave on treatment to deliver instant and long lasting hydration. This mask is also enriched with anti-inflammatory linseed and nettle. Ooh, I don't think I've tried anything with nettle in it before. And hyaluronic acid, known for its unparalleled skin moisturising properties. So that's quite cool. I might keep hold of that one actually. Let's have a look. Is it sealed? No, it's not. I know it's a matte. Ooh, it's pink. It's quite cool. It's quite liquidy as well. I don't know if it needs a shake. I'm just going to rub it in on the back of my hand. Oh, it smells. It's got like a really nice kind of subtle natural smell, and it's just rubbing into the back of my hand. Sorry, I've got a bit of a bruise here. I always damage this hand. My burn is healed and now I have a bruise. Yeah, it doesn't feel overly greasy either. It's a little bit tacky, but I quite like that. Maybe as sort of like a last step in the evening instead of applying like an oil like I sometimes do a couple of times a week. I may just pop that on the top and just leave it on overnight. We will see how that goes. The next item we've got is from the brand The Balm Balm, and it's the 100% organic rose floral water hydrosol. Ooh, this could be a toner. I wonder how rosy this is. I quite like the Balm Balm products, especially their cleansing balm. That's not a really rosy smell. It's kind of like a sweet rose, so if you're not keen on the rose smell, you might like this. I like that. I'm just going to spray a bit on the back of my hand. Just see how it sits on the skin. Ooh, yeah, I do like that. It's a nice mist as well. And Lovelula have said it's the Rose Floral Water Hydrosol. This beautifully fragrant rose floral flower water is wonderfully versatile. Use it as a gentle toner or simply as an all-over freshener or pick-me-up. So that's cool. So you can use it as a toner or you can just use it as a skin mist. I might try it later over the top of my makeup and just see how it looks, how it works. And then maybe tomorrow morning use it as kind of like more of a toner. But yeah, we will see. I'm very intrigued. We've got two samples here from the brand Ayumi. I do enjoy this brand, and it's the turmeric and bergamot face mask. That's quite cool. And the turmeric and bergamot face cream. These are nice. Yeah, I quite like this. I like the kind of little sample sachets you got in here. and they've just said it's the sample duo. This is rather small for me to read. I might pop these in a giveaway. I've got quite a lot of creams and masks at the moment, even though I really do like this brand. But yeah, I think I will pop those by for a giveaway. The next one we got is absolutely huge. It's how much is in this? It's 100 mils. This is really heavy. I think this is a glass bottle, and it's from the brand PHB, and it's a superfood pink clay cleanser. It's got vitamin C and rose hip in it, and it says it's got 7 age-defy superfoods for all skin types, 100% natural, it's vegan, it's cruelty-free, ethical and organic. So win-win. It's got everything. Now I can't wait to see what this looks like. Oh wow, look at that. That is gorgeous. I love the bottle. This feels really expensive. Yeah, I definitely like that. I can't wait to try this. I'm going to keep hold of this one. Now I'm not going to squirt it out because obviously it's a mask and a cleanser. But I'm interested to see how you can use it as both. Pink clay cleanser. I've never come across that before. Yeah, very, very interesting. And Lovelula have said, this clay cleanser gently removes all trace of makeup, toxins and impurities to refresh and replenish the skin. French pink clay rejuvenates and detoxifies skin for a brighter, more radiant complexion. I'm going to try that this evening, or if you wanted to, I was thinking about updating my skincare routine and just popping up a new video. It's been a year since I've done one. In actual fact, my first video was a skincare video. So if you wanted to, I can pop this in the video and we can try it out together. Let me know. Drop me a comment and let me know. Now the last item is from the brand Ooh, and it's 15 mils, and it's the Natural Conquet Anti-Aging Facial Oil. Now we're getting a lot of oils from Lovelula. I think we're getting one every other month. Now I have a lot of oil. There's only so much oil I could put on my face. So yeah, I'm a bit disappointed with that, which is unusual because Lovelula don't normally disappoint me. But yeah, I think too many oils now, I think. And it says, oh, oils of heaven, it's the cacao face oil. Cold pressed from wild cacao nuts, scientific studies show that it contains more than 50% vitamin E and twice the amount of linoleic acid than argan oil, as well as 3 times more retinol and rosehip oil. It's anti-aging, so I'm going to keep hold of this one. But come on, Lovelula, quit it with the oils now. So we're just going to recap what we've got. We've got the PBH Superfood Pink Clay Cleanser. Really, really looking forward to trying that. The O Oils of Heaven Anti-Aging Oil. We've got the Balm 100% Organic Rose Floral Water, or toning water, Hydrosol. Really interested to try that. The Madara SOS Hydra Mask. I'm definitely keeping hold of that one. And we've got the 2 Ayumi samples here. Yeah, so like I said, I'm going to pop those by for a giveaway. I really enjoyed that box, apart from the oil. I'm going to keep going on about it. Yeah, there's just too many oils now. I think they need to kind of, you know, step it up. But a nice pink clay cleanser, and that's 100 mils. It's going to last quite a while, and it seems quite versatile that you can mask with it. So like I said, I'm thinking about doing an updated skincare routine, so I'll try that then, and I may even try it in a Mask Monday as well and see how it works with a mask. Let me know in the comments below what you thought about this box, and if you get Lovelula, what was your favourite item this month? And make sure you're subscribed as well, because I do have a giveaway coming up in the next 2 to 3 weeks. I'm just gathering together a few last minute items. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell, and then you'll be notified when the video goes up. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.